Quick tip for you guys with floorboards that are cypress pine, probably work with any other type of floorboard, especially with this floorboards, the tongue and groove, the groove particular is very weak and it can cause a crack. So whenever you walk on it, it's always moving. So quick tip for you, this is what you're going to need. A drill with a 1/8 or 3mm drill bit and some more glue. So all we do is simply put a 3mm hole in the crack part and then inject PVA glue until you see it coming out everywhere. Instead of trying to get something under it and lift it up like that and squirt in the crack, which doesn't really work, we're going to go down from the top. So this is a quick tip that I've learned a long time ago and have used it many times without fail. Simply put your glue on that hole and start squeezing. Sometimes you got to do more than one hole. And that's all you need to do. So what I was doing with the drill bit is running that down until the tip of the drill bit hits the tongue on the board at the back, and then basically it fills that whole cavity up with, I could hear, PVA, whatever you want to call it, and stabilises the joint. So you're left with a couple of little holes, but it doesn't look any worse than cypress looks anyway. So yeah.